Holy moly, it's legitimately hailing outside. Look at those pieces down there. That's actually pretty decent. This is kind of unheard of for being in New Mexico, having so much weird weather going on.
Beautiful?
Yes, sir.
Let's go straight down just to make sure you don't push that through. Hold on.
What is that?
Just go straight to the wall first. No, just
Go back.
Easy as that. Well, as you can see, the kitchen is just about finished. We do need to, of course, put our backsplash on, and I do have a few spacers to insert right there, but I wanted to show you guys we got the hardware on, and this thing is looking good. So are IKEA kitchens worth the savings? Is that a thing? I will say yes. So we are in for just about $5,400, but they actually sent us all this extra. So we have an extra actual whole cabinet. We're gonna use that elsewhere, but I have to return all this, and that's almost $1,400. So all in all, we are in just over $4,000. And I think this IKEA kitchen turned out beautiful. We do have a final few touches to do. And of course that $4,000 is only for the cabinets. That's uppers, lowers, you know, the feet, things like that. That doesn't include the hardware. We spent about $40 for the pack of hardware, which that's a steal. And then we actually got a heck of a deal and only spent $800 on our quartz countertops because they were leftovers that our general contractor actually had. So all in all, we are in for the hardware, the countertops. That did include the sink price too, by the way, that $4,000 from IKEA. And the faucet, things like that. We are in just around $5,000, not including appliances. If we add the appliances in, like this, we got for a heck of a deal, $2,400 for this industrial commercial double oven 8 top burner That's a heck of a steal. We got this awesome Samsung fridge right here for right around 12 to 15, I believe. Actually, we can ask Brittany. Brittany, what was the fridge cost?
Oh, well, we saved a bunch of money on it, but I think it was like $1,700.
So for people that couldn't hear her, because she's speaking pretty softly, it was like $1,700, so I was a little bit off. So, you know, you gotta add in about another $4,000 with the appliances. We already had the microwave on hand, things like that. So all in all, we are probably in under $6,000 to put this kitchen together. I think that's a pretty good deal. So in our opinion, I think IKEA kitchens are worth it. The instructions are kind of crappy, they're kind of horrible, but after you do a few, you kind of get the gist. Our recommendation though is to get everything taken out of the boxes, organized if you have the space, don't mix things up, and make sure you have everything, see what you have extra, and make sure you know how the final assembly goes, because some things do get tricky along the process there. So definitely make sure you do that. So please drop it down in the comments and let us know, have you ever considered doing an IKEA kitchen, or have you ever done an IKEA kitchen, and what was your experience? All in all, like I said, we think it's worth the price savings. This would have easily been a $15,000 kitchen with the prices that we were seeing all around. So that's why we went that route. So we hope this video makes up for us missing a week there in between. We've just been crazy busy with everything going on here at the property, but it's been a fun time. So we hope if you are not already, you'll subscribe to the channel. That of course will keep you updated with all our wild adventures, whether it's us out camping, touring some cool vans, or renovating a property like this. And if you haven't already, please give a big thumbs up on this video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, push us out there to more people so we can keep creating awesome content like this, I hope. But until next time, I hope you get out there, adventure, and just have fun. We will see you later.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.